Hey, Song? Almost there. Clearly, need some help. Nearly there. Ends in sight. Fucking hell.
Stop there.
Don't come any closer.
Move it. An inch and I'll kill you, V. I will.
Fuck off. For all time.
Final warning.
Look. Putting her down.
Slow now. So, what do you want to do?
You're not taking her anywhere.
Spare me the quote straight out of Bushido 10. Look at her, V. Be serious. You want to send her to the moon? Our neurosurgeons are her only chance.
Reach for her, and I'll kill you.
Final warning.
Come on, man. Do this, and you'll kill her. Kill her, me, your own damn self, too. Fucking remorse alone will get you.
You got 3 seconds. 1.
Reed.
2.
Damn it to hell, Reed! I'm sorry, man.
Oh! Too damn late.
Fuck.
You had no choice, V. But your friend there will join Reed in the Beyond if you don't hurry your ass.
Gonna be okay. One last push. We're bound for the moon, Somi. Getting away from them all. Let's see, what do we got here?
Life support activated.
Diagnostics. Pressure O2, infusion pump.
Onboard computers in startup configuration. Warning system.
Get that feeling too sometimes. Drop everything, leave it all behind. Wouldn't it be nice? Gently now. Happy trails. Of the vapor variety.
Hatch locked and sealed. Internal power activated. Hydrogen pressure sufficient for takeoff. Automatic boot sequence initiated.
Well, no turning back now.
T-minus 60 seconds. RS-25 main engine ignition.
Here we go.
First time I've ever launched a spacecraft. You?
Same, man. Same.
T-minus 50 seconds. Solid propellant engines burning. Spark igniters active.
Whatever awaits her in orbit. Hope she ends up happy.
She's free. Slammed it home. She has just a bit of what I lacked entirely. Fucking luck.
Luck played no part in it, Johnny. You and her just wanted different things.
Really? So do tell. What was it I wanted so badly?
Applause. Cheers. Did absolutely everything to please the crowd.
Nah. Maybe. Guess I could have done more. Been different. Maybe. Could also be I was convinced I couldn't make it out alive. And maybe, just maybe that chick had great follow-through to the fucking end. And I lacked that last ounce of determination. Dunno.
Well, at least you're being honest with yourself. That in itself's some version of freedom.
What do you say next? Be all you can be? Limitations are all in my head?
Just watch the show, Johnny.
T0 liftoff.
She made it. Preem, that's what counts.
Found out treasures are always lost. Pleasures and rage come back. I'm watching you. Be careful with your moves. Tonight, I think the time is right. I think the blood is dry. It cries for more. So what are we waiting for? Wires and chains starting to fade. It feels like a game you have to play. I found out treasures are always lost. Pleasures are long forgotten. Who are you now?
Where do we go from here?
Now, we wave bye-bye to your dreams of living a long, happy life.
Got the two of us some more time together.
Fuck me, oh joy.
And things ain't all bad, at any rate. Politicos and spies at war, us in the middle. We came out whole.
Sure shit made some enemies, powerful ones, too. Myers'll remember. Won't let it pass. No fucking way after you killed the most loyal of her hounds.
Giving her too much credit, Johnny. Myers sacrificed Saul once already, set him up. At least this time, he decided how he'd die.
Yeah, on his own terms. Best sunset to life he could hope for. Best any of us can, actually. Miles better than living with the knowledge you shredded and trounced your ideals.
Need to shift focus now. To myself. My own path.
I'll say, fucking with NUSA plans launching a half-dead cyborg into orbit adds bricks to that edifice called legend. But clock's ticking, friend. You're dying. Gotta do something about it.